What's your question? We're going to have a conversation,
So-
and that's going to help everyone because it's very relevant.
Perfect. Okay, so I want to have better time management.
Okay.
And of course, I want to take some time for myself, which I'm horrible at. So my question is, if the morning, say the morning is 9 to 12, so if I can, should I be setting each day for a level, is what I'm thinking. Like one is my ones, one is my twos, one is my threes, and one is my four.
Sure.
So that gives me time to get into the classroom, observe the teachers, and if needed, I can talk with them about it, because I always have a floater who can
Sure.
go in their rooms and they can come and
Right.
just to, and my goal is, because we have been on a mission for the past few years, to a couple things. One, to become more understanding and aware of what is the Reggio philosophy and to apply it in the classrooms. Two, we focus a lot on conscious discipline,
Okay.
trying to use positive intent and have strong classroom management. So just to be able to, sometimes I make videos of them, and so that they could come in and watch the video and tell me what they see. So is that?
So that's a really great question. But here's the thing, because everything is nuanced in that, sure, you can say from 9 to 11, every single day you're going to try to get into classrooms. The question is, what are your other responsibilities? And does your responsibility allow you to do that every day? Or does it only allow you to do it twice a week? That's something that you have to ask yourself about your daily activity. Because it's not about getting into the classroom every single week. It's about getting them there at least once a month.
So if you were making this chart,
Sure.
so what I'm trying to figure out is how to make my chart.
Yeah.
So if you were going to make your chart, what you would do is you would fill it in and then live it. And then say, this worked, this didn't work, okay, here's what I'm going to change.
Here's what I'm tweaking. That you literally took all the information and just said that in 2 sentences, which is fantastic, because I can't tell you what's going to work in your school. I can give you really great strategy, but you're going to, like I was saying, tracking that daily activity. So you saw the green is your goal, which is to get into every classroom. What activities am I doing to get? So you might have time to do it every day. You might only have time to do it twice a week. The point is to run the cycle and then take feedback and then see what happens. It might work really well. And it might, you know what? Oh my gosh, it's only twice a week I could do this.
Which is, you're probably more realistic.
Which will probably
Twice a week
would even be pushing it, because you have to remember
Successful.
also, you're flexing a new muscle. So it's like the person saying, yeah, I really want to get fit. I'm going to go to the gym every day. Let's try with once a week.
Yeah, I want
And then we'll move up. So let's try with twice a week, and then we'll see if there's more time for that. How does that answer your question?
That's perfect.
Awesome.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
The chair is available for the next.
Okay.